Hello,
Hey, hi, Che. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm also good. Where are you from?
Philippines.
Oh, Philippines. Okay, I think my lots of friends say Philippines because I also other use app. So on this app, all users only Philippines.
Really?
Yes, I think daily practice Philippines people minimum 20 or 30 peoples. Every day I practice with Philippines people. Uh, you know, yeah, it's very frankly Philippines people.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. Filipinos so very friendly, kind.
Yes, and very friendly also. Okay, so like what do you do?
What?
Like what do you do? Like do you study?
Yeah.
Oh, that's great.
Are you still studying or working?
Oh, like both. I, I think you are workaholic person. Great. I'm also a student, university student.
What grade?
Okay, yeah. Second, I'm pursuing graduation in second year,
What course you?
like Bachelor of Arts, BA.
Wow.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Like what and what course are you doing?
The same as you, but I'm nursing student.
Oh, nursing medical student.
Yeah.
Okay, you want to be a doctor.
Soon.
That's good. Okay, like one day I watch one video of Philippines. I think every people speak English from.
Not everyone.
Yeah, because I see one news. I think one like blog type video on YouTube. So that's why I'm watching about Philippines. Yeah, because
Hi, hello.
okay. So currently you live in Philippines.
What?
No, in this time, like currently you live in Philippines. Yeah, other country.
Yan na. Wait lang. Wait.
Okay, okay, I wait. What happened? What?
What did you say?
No, I'm asking you. Like currently you live in Philippines. Yeah, other country.
Again.
No, no, I'm asking like currently you live in Philippines.
Ano? Hindi ko
Okay, so okay, Che, I'm asking one question. What is famous food in Philippines?
Um, famous food.
Yes. Okay, so What's your favorite food?
Adobo.
Adobo. Okay, I don't know.
adobo.
Like okay, so what's like
Wait, it,
okay, you have a adobo?
you know that adobo?
I don't know.
Wait,
Okay, just light cut off. Just wait. We just wait.
adobo.
Okay, so like what is time in your country?
It's already 9:47
Okay,
a.m.
9:47. Okay, it's morning time. Yeah, like in my country, like 7:17. It's morning time also in India. Okay, so like okay, so which time you going to like company like because you told me do you work also. So which time you going to work?
Wait,
Yeah, hello.
what?
No, no, I'm asking like which time you do work.
What?
No, no, I'm asking like which time do you work? Because you told me
No,
do yes.
no.
Like you work from home.
Who's this? Smiler Cup Record. You good, bro? Why?
Hey, hello.
Yes, bro.
Hi.
Yeah, hi.
What's up?
All good, bro.
What you guys were talking about?
Just daily life.
So you was asking about when does she go for work, right?
Yes.
But she could not answer.
Yeah. I think she doesn't understand.
Okay, both of you tell me your name.
Okay, my name is Sibam and her name is Che. Che. Okay, what's your name?
My name is Rochelle.
Russell?
Rochelle.
Raquel?
Let me type it.
Okay, Raquel.
No. Here.
Uh, Raquel. Oh, okay, Raquel.
No, not Raquel. Rochelle. Rochelle.
Rashid, Rashid.
Okay, like I watch one web series like Money Heist, Then also her name like
Wait.
it's a very famous name.
Oh, really?
Hi,
Hey, hi, Muhammad, bro. What's up?
hello, hello, my friend.
Yeah,
Where are you from?
I'm from India, bro.
Yeah, bro?
India.
India. Yeah,
Yes.
I'm from Egypt.
Egypt? Oh no. Yeah,
From Egypt.
yeah, I know because also one friend of Egypt, and his name Sips, and his speak like confidently and Hindi. I think He speak good Hindi and every time listen Indian song. Do you like Indian song?
I don't know.
But when talk to my friend Sims, every time singing Hindi song, every times.
Yeah.
That's why I'm asking you.
Yeah, I am watching Shah Rukh Khan, Salman
Yeah,
Khan.
yeah, he is a
I
very
love
famous actor in
Salman
India.
Khan. What?
No, I'm saying that like he is a very famous actor
Yeah,
because every I think everyone watch movie of Shah Rukh Khan.
yeah. In India morning, in Egypt night.
Oh, really? Oh
Yeah.
my God! Like in India, it's
Almost
morning time.
was 1 minute. Was
Oh, really? Yes,
night.
it's night time.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very. Then sometimes I call my friend Sams. That's why I don't like. Yeah, almost I call in daytime, but here is like night time. So that's why sometimes receive my call, but not every time receive my call.
Yeah.
So that's why I think it's a night day. So it's a different time. So that's why I don't sometimes receive my call.
Hmm.
So like, what do you do, brother? Hello, Muhammad.
Are you call me?
What did you say?
Call me.
Yes.
Hmm.
Like, do you work? Yeah, study.
Study.
Oh, yeah, study. Okay, like you are a university student.
Uh, college accounting.
Okay, okay. So like,
I am senior.
what's your plan when you are completed your study?
Uh, I am work accountant in the resort hotel in Sharm
Mm,
el Sheikh.
okay.
Do you know Sharm el Sheikh?
Sharm Sheikh. I don't know, bro.
Red Sea.
Ritik.
Red Sea.
Okay. I have no idea, bro.
Yeah. Uh, I should you visit Egypt.
Okay, okay. Why are you
Egypt,
muted?
Egypt is very beautiful. Pyramids,
Yeah, yeah.
Cairo.
Pyramid. I know pyramid.
Okay, it's
I
nice.
know. I know.
Yeah, it's very beautiful.
Yeah, it's very famous in the world.
Yeah,
Yeah. When you told me like pyramid, so that's why I understand.
I like pyramids.
Like, how long have you been learning English, brother?
Call me.
Yes, it's a long time.
What do you say?
No, no, I'm saying that
Uh,
how long have you been learning English?
yeah, I am learning English.
Assalamu alaikum, Muhammad.
عليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Hey, hi, Hassan, bro.
How are you, man?
Yeah, all good. So, where are you from,
أهلا
bro?
يا حسن مرحبا. مرحبا بكم. أهلا وسهلا. من أين أنت؟ آه... هند. الهند. الهند إنديا. يا إنديا.
Yes.
شفام حسن live in India.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Where do you live in India, bro?